Blessing CEO, aka Blessing Okoro, has been arrested for the past, I think it's over getting to 3 weeks or 2 weeks now, that Blessing CEO has been arrested, and nobody have said anything about it. Nobody has, even no blog has even taken anything about it. It is bad. You see, that is what we're talking about, you not having bad character. Because when you have bad character, nobody will even fight for you. Everybody will just lock up. Because what she even did, so what she did is even bad. Before I even talk about what she did, the bail condition they gave that girl is too hectic. Wallah is too hectic. The bail condition they gave her is hectic. How can you say? So they think maybe because the girl went to do lipo, maybe she has money. She don't have money. Oh, she doesn't have a dime. They say she should bring 10 million as per bail condition. Not only that, that she should go and bring shorty. That the shorty must have house in Banana Island, in Lekki, and in one area in Lagos again. And each of them must have nothing less than 10 million in their account. Then Allah, who is going to even bring, who is going to go and do that for that girl? You see, that's one thing about telling people not to have bad character. Because if you have bad character, when you are in problem, nobody will come out for you. Everybody will just hands up. Ah, leave her, leave her. Ah, don't go. Because you have bad character. They are telling the girl to calm down. She don't want to listen. So where are all those people that are joining her relationship class? Where are they now that she needs them most? Are they not supposed to do GoFundMe to help raise the money to release the girl? Everybody kept quiet. Even you, my Blessing CEO, you saw that somebody has died. You don't even have respect for somebody that have died. You went to be talking about the woman. Ah, yeah. Your mouth was just sharp. The family was just looking at you. Now see. Now look at it now. Even the IBD that you are protecting. So you want to tell me that IBD cannot bring 10 million for you, or IBD cannot, his friends cannot come out for you? I don't know. You see fire, you went to dive inside. Kai Hakako, you just see fire, you just fly inside the fire. It's your fault. Now you are making me to beg on your behalf. Because this video now I'm doing is to help you beg Nigerians to do hashtag free Blessing CEO. CEO don't have 10 million. CEOs don't have friends. And you are there now, they lock you up. Abanzakoi. So Nigerians, I'm begging you. I know the guy has offended a lot of you. Please, let us do hashtag free Blessing CEO. I'm begging the IGP to please temper justice with me. That girl doesn't have anything. Don't worry, she's lying. She doesn't have nothing. Please, that Allah, please. For those of us that always like to comment, please let us comment. Let us lay down our voices. Share the video. Share this video so that this video can even get to the IGP, so that they can even temper justice with mercy for Blessing CEO. That Allah. So like I always say, my name is Malan Shaibu. I'm the Spice creator. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. After all, I don't have sense. Because even if Blessing see the video that I'm doing, you will say I don't have sense. So I don't have sense. I know, I agree. I agree. But please share the video so that it can get to the necessary authority, so that they can even temper justice with mercy and pity the girl. Thank you very much.